Sorry about the noise. I'm almost done. I'm just packing up, madam.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, thank you. I'll just, let me... Thank you. There you go. Thank you.
So how's your first week of work going?
It's been fine, ma'am. Except for breaking your door.
Do you like working here?
No, it's nice.
Oh, you don't sound convinced.
Well, no one dreams of being a security guard.
What did you want to be?
I thought I would be, I don't know, a lawyer, a businessman, or something important.
But your job is very important. It's very important to me.
I guess.
You can just tell your boss that I'll pay for the security gate.
Really?
Yes, I don't like security having a set of my keys, so I should have let you inside.
Well, thank you, ma'am. These are your keys.
Now, once alone in her barren and cold house, Amelia recalls the touch of his hand and how the warmth of it had spread deep within her, finding a place that she had long kept hidden, and there, igniting a flame. This is madness. She barely knew this man who had saved her life, and for all she knew, she would never lay eyes on him again.
The thing that keeps him going. If that plane leaves the ground and you're not on it, you'll regret it.
No.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon, and for the rest of your life.
But what about us?
We'll always have Paris. We didn't have it. We lost it until you came back to Casablanca. We got it back last night.
And I said that I would never leave you.
And you never will.